Hi, my name's Claire and I'm part of the sales team here at Automatic Leisure Kingdom, and I'd like to show you around our 21 plate Rollerteam 746. It's a 6-berth motorhome and it's got a real luxurious but modern feel inside. So let's have a look at the outside first. It's on a Fiat Ducato. It's a 2.3 140 brake horsepower. It's got the Fiat alloy wheels. This is the flue for the heating. That can get hot, so if you've got the heating and the hot water on, this is obviously the exhaust for it. Don't touch it because it could burn your fingers. Inside here we've got a small pannier locker, and beneath we've got the emptying for the wastewater. Here is where you fill your fresh water up, so it's all simple. And here is where the toilet cassette's stored. Yeah. It's got storage space to the back. So if you look in there, that's an Aladdin's cave, our Wendy. You can get loads in there. And there's anchorage points. This is where you'd connect a bike rack. And if you look up, you can see it's got a reversing camera. Access, again, look at it from the other angle. And this has got the C-rail where you can put an awning to it. So that would be like your drive-away awning, so you've got another room. Although it's that spacious in here, I'm not sure you'd need one. This is where you connect your mains, your fridge vents, gas bottle storage, diesel and AdBlue. So let's go and take a closer look inside. So as you can see, you've got an overcab sleeping area, and I'm not particularly petite, I'll have you know, 5'4" and quite a size, and this bed is absolutely vast. So you've got sleeping up here where you could actually fit 2 adults. Cut Wendy, I'm coming down and nobody's looking at me taking these ladders on. Well, that was an experience coming down the ladders. It's a very good job she didn't video it. So here we are in the front. You can see this is where it's got nav, and your reverse camera will show on here. It's the automatic with cab aircon, speed restrictor and cruise control. I've got it right, Wendy, this time. All the expected controls on your steering wheel. The seating in here is absolutely gorgeous. This seat does pivot around as a captain seat. Clearly the other one doesn't for the obvious reason. Although it does pivot part way round. If you did want to sit with your feet up, it is actually really quite nice. So then you can see here, it travels 6 people. So you've got the driver, the passenger, and then a further 4 here. This area also turns into another bed. So you've got 2 up here, you've got 2 down there. You've got this really, really quirky unit with drawers and a TV as well. It's really got a modern feel. It's got the trendy ash flooring, easy use controls. Note, there isn't a fly screen on the door. So it's always good to point out what it has got and also what it hasn't got. We have got a 3-ring gas burner, the sink and a combi oven grill. Not the biggest, but it's enough. A great size fridge with freezer compartment. Yeah. And the door will be attached on collection day, so I'll just pop that in there. Don't let that put you off. No. Happened at the right place.
Minor detail.
Yes. After being on that bed up there, it is a minor detail. Inside here, you'll see that we've got infill cushions, freestanding table for the rear, and hanging space. Yeah. All these things that you perhaps wouldn't use, you'd leave at home anyway, only take them when you knew that you were going to take everybody with you. Cutlery drawer and kitchen utensils. and extra storage. I love this lounge at the back.
Super, isn't it?
So you've got a great seating area here.
Yeah.
Lots of storage around. Big windows with fly screens and blinds. And also you'll see here there's another TV point.
Wow. So you could have people either end.
We can fall out, Wend.
Yeah, you could, couldn't you?
The whole family can fall out.
Right.
And then here is our washroom. So we've got a good sized shower. The shower head comes out of the sink. The shower door will come across, protecting the toilet from getting wet.
Yeah.
The wood panel comes out, so you've got your drainage. So if you were then using it, if somebody went in straight after you, the socks aren't going to be wet, because when you put that down, it protects you.
Yeah.
And then we've got the toilet with a towel rail and a hanging rail as well.
Super.
So if I was you, I'd be coming over to Don Amott Leisure Kingdom, and I'd be taking a closer look at our Rollerteam 746, because this is one smart motorhome with lots of room for everyone. So we look forward to seeing you at Don Amott's. You two can try the bed out.